In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. If buttons don't respond, login forms won't submit, or videos refuse to play, there's a good chance JavaScript is turned off. JavaScript is the language many sites use to make pages interactive, so enabling it restores those features. We'll walk through the process on a computer using Google Chrome. On phones and tablets, the idea is similar, but today we'll focus on desktop so you can follow along easily. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main settings page, where everything from appearance to privacy lives in one place. In the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section controls what sites are allowed to do in your browser. Next, select Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome manages permissions like location, camera, pop-ups, and, of course, JavaScript. Scroll down until you find JavaScript and click it. You'll see a simple option that controls whether sites can run JavaScript in your browser. Turn on the setting labeled Sites Can Use JavaScript. That's the switch that re-enables interactivity across the web. At this point, JavaScript is enabled. You can leave the Settings tab and return to your site. If a page was open earlier and seemed broken, refresh it to let the scripts load properly. You should notice that menus expand, forms validate, and embedded content behaves as expected. A quick note before we wrap up. Most modern websites depend on JavaScript for core features, so turning it off can make pages look empty or unresponsive. If you disabled it for troubleshooting or privacy reasons, remember that you can always come back to this same JavaScript screen to review your choice. From here, you can keep JavaScript enabled for the web in general while still being cautious about which sites you trust. If something still isn't working after you've enabled JavaScript, try reloading the page, closing and reopening the tab, or checking whether an extension is blocking scripts. Sometimes a content blocker can mimic what it feels like when JavaScript is off. And that's all there is to it. With a few clicks, you've turned JavaScript back on in Google Chrome so websites can function the way they were designed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.